Hello everyone. Well, even though it's Friday the 13th, I'd say we're getting pretty lucky in southeast Nebraska because temperatures are on the rise and winds going down, and that's the combination that we want. Check out high temperatures today. Some might get stuck in the low 30s in the northern part of the area. Omaha, Council Bluffs, Fremont looking like 32, 33 degrees, but warmer air is starting to nudge in to the southern part of the area. Even Lincoln looks like it's going to hit 38, and Hebron could get as warm as 40 degrees. Partly to mostly sunny skies today, and unlike yesterday, there is not going to be much wind around. Winds no more than 10 miles per hour, so no wind chill factor to worry about. And there's not going to be much wind tonight either. Winds just 5 to 10 miles per hour, and these low temperatures above normal for this time of year. Normal low temperatures are in the mid-teens. Instead, tonight, mainly mid-20s. Maybe some getting into the low 20s, but others maybe only cooling down into the upper 20s. Still partly to mostly clear skies. Saturday, still looking dry, partly cloudy skies, and the warming trend continuing. Now we're talking about the coldest temperatures in the mid-40s, and look how we could hit 50 degrees. Lincoln, Beatrice, Hebron. The winds will go up some. We're talking about gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour, but when you're talking about high temperatures that are 10, 15 degrees above normal, breeze isn't that big of a deal. Saturday night, still looks dry, partly cloudy during the evening, and then eventually becoming mostly cloudy. A light breeze around, gusts around 15 miles per hour. And look at these low temperatures. These should be our high temperatures. Instead, they're going to be our low temperatures. It might cool down into the upper 20s in one or two spots, but we're talking about low to mid 30s in most locations. Now, Sunday does not look like a pretty day. It does look mostly cloudy, but it still looks dry on Sunday, and the warming trend will continue. Now, going to be a struggle not to reach the 50s, maybe some in the upper 40s, but we're talking about low to mid 50s for most of us, and I'm not going to rule out in the southern part of the area, perhaps getting into the upper 50s. So this warming trend continues. It looks like another breezy day, gusts 20, 25 miles per hour. As I mentioned, still dry. I don't see the rain chance beginning until about 9 o'clock Sunday night. And I've got to say, I do think most of us are still going to be dry at 9 o'clock and probably will stay dry during the evening hours. And check out 9 o'clock Sunday evening. Really not that bad of an evening to be out, especially for this time of year. We're talking at 9 o'clock at night, 45 degrees in Lincoln, 48 in Beatrice, 43 in Omaha, and just a light breeze around. Gusts around 15 miles per hour. And here's what I mean about how we're probably going to stay dry during the evening hours, because I'm going to jump ahead to 1 a.m. and notice still just a few stray showers, most dry, but I do think 1 a.m. is the significant time, because after 1 a.m. Sunday night, I really think the rain is going to be filling in. And the best chance of rain is looking like early Monday morning. So early on Martin Luther King Day, looks like a lot of light to moderate rain coming down. What we're seeing here is a warm front temporarily nudging into the area, but then quickly followed by a cold front. So temperatures are just going to kind of hang out around the same spot throughout the day. There's not going to be much fluctuation here. Notice once we get to the late morning on Monday, already starting to back off. Now, still a pretty good chance. I still think we're talking about scattered light to moderate rain showers across the area, but already past the peak of the activity. That is looking like the early morning hours on Monday, when perhaps if you're off on Monday, you'll still be asleep. And then as we get into the afternoon, this is, again, late morning, early afternoon is when the cold front is going to be pushing in. And as the cold front does push in, we're talking about dry air coming in and the rain coming to an end. So by 3 o'clock Monday, it's looking like just isolated showers. And notice that Monday afternoon is going to be cooler. So of the 3 days that we've got, Saturday, Sunday, Monday is looking like the least pleasant day, holiday weekend, because of the rain chance, and notice it is going to be cooler. Now we're talking about maybe still in the far southeastern part, maybe Falls City, still making it into the 50s because of this cold front that's going to be working. And I think most of us were just talking about highs in the low to mid 40s. And once again, another breezy day, gusts 20, 25 miles per hour. I do think the rain chance is going to be over with by 7 o'clock Monday evening. So if you want to squeeze in something before you get back to work on Tuesday, something for the evening hours on Monday, it is looking pretty good.